Hello guys, welcome to Joy's Wonderful Kitchen. So today we're going to bake a salmon with tartar sauce. So this is all the ingredients that we need. I have 4 slices of salmon and then ground black pepper, garlic powder, a mayonnaise, and this is Dijon mustard. And usually I use pink salt, but you can use a regular salt. And I have lemon and dill. So that's all we need for this recipe. So let's prepare the baking tray, and then I use this baking paper. I don't need oil for that, so and then I'm going to sprinkle the black pepper and salt. Then place the salmon in the tray. So in the separate bowl we have here, we're going to mix the mayonnaise and the mustard with a pinch of garlic powder. Okay, so the measurement, it's up to you how much you're going to make, and it depends on how much the salmon you have. But today I'm going to make, it's about 2 tablespoons. What I'm doing is just estimated the measurement. A pinch of powder. and add a little bit of this dill. Ready. Let's bring the salmon back here. Wait a minute, I forgot to sprinkle the salt on top of the salmon. And the black pepper. After that, spread the tartar sauce on top of the salmon. It's look yummy. Yum, yum, yum. So let's put in the oven. The oven set up for 450 and we need to bake this about 10 minutes. So let's say after 10 minutes. The food is ready. Now let's taste it. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.